Apples are a good source of fiber and vitamin C. They also contain antioxidants, like vitamin E and polyphenols that contribute to the fruit's numerous health benefits. Apples are particularly filling due to their high fiber and water content. Their polyphenols may also have apples promote heart health in several ways. They're high in soluble fiber, which helps lower cholesterol. They also have polyphenols, which are linked to lower blood pressure and stroke risk. The type of fiber found in apples improves your gut-friendly bacteria, which may be why the fruit is thought to help protect against chronic diseases.